Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush forest, there lived an elephant named Elara and an ant named Andy. Despite their vast difference in size, they were the best of friends. Elara, with her immense strength, would help Andy reach the sweetest fruits at the top of the trees, while Andy, with his keen intelligence, would guide Elara through the maze of the forest with ease. One scorching summer, a severe drought hit the forest, leaving all the animals in despair. The once glistening streams had dried up, and the trees drooped from lack of water. Elara and Andy, too, found themselves struggling to find sustenance. One day, as they journeyed through the parched forest, they stumbled upon a small pond with the last droplets of water shimmering under the scorching sun. The animals gathered around it, desperate to quench their thirst. As Elara and Andy approached the pond, they noticed something distressing. The pond was too deep for Andy to reach, and Elara's trunk couldn't bend low enough to scoop up the water. Seeing Andy's disappointment, Elara had an idea. She laid down on her side, allowing Andy to crawl onto her back. With Elara's gentle guidance, Andy was able to sip the precious water. Their act of cooperation didn't go unnoticed. Other animals, inspired by their selflessness, joined in, forming a chain of help. Each animal utilized their unique abilities to ensure that everyone could drink from the pond. Through their unity and cooperation, the animals managed to survive the drought. When the rains finally came and rejuvenated the forest, Elara and Andy's friendship had grown even stronger. They had learned that no matter how big or small, everyone has something valuable to contribute, and by working together, they could overcome even the most daunting challenges. The tale of Elara the elephant and Andy the ant taught the animals of the forest an important lesson, that true strength lies not in size or power alone but in the willingness to lend a helping hand and work together for the greater good. And from that day forward, the forest echoed with the spirit of unity and friendship, ensuring that no challenge was too great to overcome.